Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is SSL record protocol. SSL stands for Security Socket Layer. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and friends. I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. See, this Security Socket Layer record protocol provides two kinds of services. First one is message integrity service and second one is message confidentiality service. See, using MAC with a shared secret key, it is similar to HMAC. See, in this security socket layer, record protocol uses some secret key with MAC function in order to provide message integrity. Message integrity is nothing but keeping data without modifications. And next one is message confidentiality. Message confidentiality is nothing but keeping data secret without knowing others. It is known as confidentiality. See, using symmetric key encryption with secret key, with shared secret key, we can achieve message confidentiality. See, example of hash functions are MD5, SHA-1, etc. And whereas these encryption algorithms are AES, DES, etc. AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard and DES stands for Data Encryption Standard. Of Security Socket Layer Record Protocol. See, it contains application data, it contains fragment and compress and add. See, for example, there is data, then this information is divided into some parts, some blocks, that is known as some fragments, and then this, after fragmenting the message, then it is going to get compressed. We need to compress this message and then we need to add MAC value to this function, to this message, and then we need to encrypt the message, and at last it contains security socket layer record header. This is a structure of security socket layer record protocol. See, this security socket layer header contains 4 fields. First one is context type, second one is major version, minor version and compressed length. These are the four fields that this security socket layer record header contains. See, this is known as security socket layer record protocol. See, this content type is nothing but what are the protocols used to process the data is known as content type. And major version, see, I will write here clearly. Content type, major version, minor version, and last one is compressed length. See, this major version is nothing but it indicates major version of security socket layer record protocol, and this minor version includes minor version of security socket layer. And whereas compressed length is nothing but length which we are going to compress, that is how we are compressing messages known as compressed length. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.